Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to use your AliExpress coins. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to whatever item that you want to order. So let me find it in my wish list. So now I need to proceed to checkout page. I want to press Buy Now button at the bottom, then select exactly which item I want to order, tap Continue, and at the order confirmation page, which is basically checkout, I need to scroll down to the section Summary and find line saved. So this is basically amount of money that I have saved using my coins. So if I tap here, I will see that I have used 1 coin for this discount, and that gave me this discount. If I tap here again, I can see that I can select option did not use any coins this time, but of course I will use my coins. So basically, when you want to use your AliExpress coins, all you have to do is nothing, because AliExpress deducts your coins automatically. But here's one thing that you should always look out for: items that basically say extra % off with coins. And what I mean by that, if I go back to my item and scroll down a little bit, I will see here line extra 1% off with coins. So that means that this specific item supports a discount using your coins. But if I go to some other item, for example this one, and scroll down, here is no line that says that they have extra % off with coins, and that means that I cannot use my coins for this specific item. So if I go to checkout page then scroll down, I cannot see my saved line. So I think that's pretty clear. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.